Hey guys, Aaron Vanderbeek down here with Sherwood Dodge, and today behind me I have a fresh trade that just came on the lot. It's a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This vehicle has under 25,000 kilometers on it. It has a Clean Carfax, one owner. It does have your steel bumpers in the front and rear. Now coming our way to the side here, it does come with a 2-inch aftermarket lift with, of course, your aftermarket tires on the spare as well in the back. Now, if you're coming here, you do see that you have your blind spot detection in the mirror with your heated mirrors. You do have your keyless entry. You're making your way to the inside. Of course, you got the nice red stitching with the red accents on the inside signifying it's a Rubicon. You also have your front and rear locking differential switch on the center console there with your off-road modes. And you do have your nice power fabric sunroof as well. So you click the button, this sunroof will just roll right back and your roof is all open. Now coming your way to the back here, you do have a rear backup camera here. You got your tow hooks here, and of course you got tons of storage on the inside with your nice upgraded sound system by Alpine. Now if you guys have any questions about this beautiful trade, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time, and I look forward to hearing from you.